Alright, team, let's break this one down like a game plan for your homework, your group project, or that all-important grocery list. We're talking Google Docs, and how to share one in just a few clicks so everyone's on the same playbook. You fire up docs.google.com, open the doc you want, and make sure you're logged into the right account. Quick film review. Skim that document and clear out anything you don't want the rest of the world seeing before you send it downfield. Now, top right corner, there's your blue share button, think of it as the huddle. Click it, and the sharing window pops up. If you're passing it to specific teammates, hit Add People in Groups, start typing those email addresses, and set their role, viewer, commenter, or full-on editor. When you like the matchup, you hit Send, and they're in the game. If you'd rather toss a link, look for that restricted area, switch it to anyone with the link, then decide if folks can view, comment, or edit. Click Copy Link, and now you can drop it in an email, a chat, wherever your squad hangs out, maybe add a quick note so nobody's surprised by their permissions. Anytime, you can tap Share again, adjust roles, boot someone from the roster, or lock things down with that gear icon. And just like that, your doc is shared, your team is synced, and the whistle's blowing on confusion.